If you're looking to use AI, but you're not an AI expert, you've got to the right place. Geti was built especially for you. It doesn't matter if you have an assembly line to automate or whether you're a clinician who wants to use AI for assistance for medical image analysis, or whether you have an agriculture use case where you want to create tools to detect weeds among the crops. It doesn't matter if you aim to detect electronic devices or potatoes. If you're looking to sort bottles or detect hazardous situation in construction sites or out in the open. If you're building a retail checkout or building a consumer application, looking for candies or cars. Intel Geti can help you with all of these tasks. You know that AI can help automate, expedite, enhance, improve the services you provide. But how? How do I get the AI model? Which model to use? Do I need to train that model, or can it just work out of the box? Do I need to use my specific data? How much data? And how to use that model in my real application on which hardware? Seems like a very high mountain to climb? Well, not anymore. We have Geti. Geti can help you build customized AI applications without being an expert. I will take you hand in hand in this video series to show you how it's done. Geti was designed to help people with a product idea or a business need, but without the technical skills to build an AI product. Geti is made by design to enable domain expert build AI with their visual data. You do not have to be data scientist or AI engineer, but still, there are a few things to know. This is why we built this video series. This is video number 1, just an introduction to Geti. The next video, video number 2, will show you the full flow. I'll show you how to install Geti, to open a new project, to upload your data, to train it, to test the results, and to deploy it on a target system. If this example is working for you, all done. But Geti has many options, and this is just one way to go. In video number 3, I'll overview the main obstacles to building vision AI applications and why some people fail, so you won't be one of them. It is not rocket science, as I'll show you in this video series, but there are things to know and best practices to follow. I will demonstrate them step by step. In video 4, I'll show you how to install on a simple machine. If this is enough and works for you, great. If not, you can skip to video 4.1 to see how to operate Geti on Amazon Web Services. Video 4.2 will overview how to install it on a system with Intel Battlemage GPU, and so on. So, your learning path could be just videos 1, 2, 3, and so on. Or you might want to deep dive into a specific topic, skip one, whatever. The map is yours to follow. So, let's begin. Choose your path, put on your shoes. I'll see you on video 2.